So hello guys, this video is going to be about how to set up SSL on the domain that we just created. Like I told you earlier that the domain, the website is running on HTTP, and as we know, HTTP is not secure. So for us to have HTTPS, we have to generate SSL. We have three types of SSL. We have paid SSL that you can buy for SSL service provider like GoDaddy, Cloudflare. Then we have free SSL like SitePort. Then we have a self-signed SSL. Self-signed SSL you cannot run it on a live production on a website that is going public and going to be through internet. You can only use self-signed SSL in a test environment. So we are in a test environment. This our website is running on my local system, the Red Hat, my virtual machine. So we are not live. So we are going to use a self-signed SSL for this on this video, but it's the same as using the paid and the free one when you want to use it for production environment. So the first thing we are going to do, let me show you first. This particular site now is HTTP. So let's try to run the HTTPS and see what we are going to get. HTTPS colon / then the name of this domain name, Sabbath Online. Let's see if we're going to load the web page for us. Let's see if the web page is going to be loaded. So you can see that it's not loaded. It's because we have not generated SSL. So to generate SSL, we have to go back to the terminal. So let me clear it. The first that we are going to install OpenSSL software. So let me just copy it. So I'm going to install OpenSSL. So DNF, which are package manager, I used to install any package that you want to install on the Red Hat Linux. DNF, install OpenSSL, then mode_SSL. I know that it's going to connect to the public repository on the Red Hat website to install the package. So that's what was doing then. So installation is going on right now. Installation is going on right now. So you make sure that your virtual machine Red Hat Linux is online, is on the internet, because it's going to connect to the Red Hat website to install the package. That is where the public repository is on. So the installation is completed right now. So the next thing now is we are now going to run the command to generate the SSL. So let me just copy it. So before running the command, I'll need to restart the HTTP, the Apache server. I have to load it. So let me start it. That's all right. That command. HTTPT. So now we have started it. So the next thing now, let me clear this screen, my screen. So the next thing we are going to do is to generate SSL, and this is the command for doing that. So we are going to generate two files, the key files, which we are putting on this particular directory, then the certificate, so file. So these are the two files. So I'll press enter here now. Now it's asking me that country name, two letter, state, default state, Lagos. The name of the company. So put the name of the company, your company. So we are in IT. So yeah, what's the server name? Our server is app.app.samitech.online. I'm not putting email address. Just press enter. So with this now, let's check if the file has been created. So that will should let us know if the message that we are trying to generate is successful. So let's check it now. So you can see the files they are here. The files is here. So we have successfully generated SSL. The next is that we are going to open the configuration file and put the script for HTTPS. So let me first open that file. I'll open the file, then I'll copy the script. So this is it here. So let me copy the file. So I want to separate the HTTP from the HTTPS. So let me copy it here. So this is just the script here for the HTTPS. So you can see the web server name, the document root, which is the directory folder that we created in the first video. Then the certificate file. This is the first file that we created then. So I want us to, it seems we saw the file there, right? So this is the file. I'll just copy it to see if it's correct. Let me copy this file part. Let me do some correction here. Yeah, the correction here. It's app, not app one. Let's see. Let's see. But I'm still going to confirm this part. Let me copy it to confirm it. Because if it's not correct, we won't be able to run HTTPS. So the next thing, I just have to save and exit out of this file. So let me just confirm it first. ls. Going to directory. So let me just go back to that command and see. So if you need to tech sat check private. I want to check the facts if it's correct. PKR TLS. You have TLS. TLS. Then we have private. All right. So this is there. The file is there. This should be sat. Okay, we are good to go. The both files, they are there. So, like I told you that anytime that we make changes in the configuration file, we are going to restart the Apache server. But before that, let me just check if our syntax is correct. There is no error in our syntax. Let's check that first. Check our syntax first. So syntax is okay. So the next thing is to restart the Apache server. HTTPD. All right, now. So let's go to our web browser and you load the HTTPS. Let's see if it works. It should give me this is what I should get. Let me see if I'm not making any mistake. Okay. So I can see where the mistake is. I removed the app. So since HTTPS is working, HTTPS is working. This is the certificate that we generated. You can see now, this certificate. So I just need to just scroll down here and accept risk and continue. So you can see that HTTPS is now working. So via HTTPS now, we are able to log into our website. We're able to access our website. So, and it is now secure. So you can see not secure now. It's no more there because we are now running on a secure protocol, which is HTTPS. So that's how to generate SSL to make our website secure. So I'll see you in another video. Take care, guys.